What's up, YouTube? We are back in the house. Just kind of clocking out from work. And yeah, we got some updates. So kind of want to bring you guys in. I'm sitting here listening to this book. Hold on, I'll show you guys. Nobody's coming to save you. Just started it. Heard good things about it, so check that out. But yeah, kind of wanted to give you guys got parts. Parts are in. My BC coilovers finally came in, but as you can see, there is no 997 here. So, but I wanted to show you guys what they are and the specs that I went with. So these are my BC coilovers. Swift springs was on like back order from Swift. Took a while for them to get here, but they are here now. But I got the Swift springs, extended dampening things for the rear. And let's see so I got the Swift springs. I did 6K up front and then 10K in the rear. I think that should be a pretty solid setup for how I like to have my cars. I don't want it to be too bouncy, but also don't want to be too stiff. But I know Swift springs, they are like a little bit more, they inspire more comfort, so they do have a little bit more of a rebound as opposed to the OEM one. So that's why I did the went up a little bit. Standard is 5K, 8K, but I went 6K, 10K, especially since the engine's in the back, and then I got running 305 tires. So yeah, it should be pretty good. And then moving on, another beautiful care package from the wonderful folks at Morimoto. So, but these are headlights for the Targa, and that is what I will probably be doing today. So, show you guys. So these headlights, these are actually Renline HIDs. So I'm gonna keep them. I might do like a yellow film or something over it, or I might sell them. I don't know. I know this headlight was out. I think it just needed to replace the bulb, but I wanted to do the Morimotos. I like the black housing inside of them, so that's the main reason why I wanted to switch them out. The one thing I am concerned about is, so they have the Morimotos, you have to run the DRL to the fuse, to the headlight fuse. And as you can see, I don't know what the fuck this fuse box is. This is the old school joint, so I don't know how I'm gonna run anything to anything here, but I'll figure it out. Probably run it without first, and then come back to it once I kind of do some research. So, but yeah, should be a pretty simple install. Hopefully I can use the painted bezels for the Morimoto headlights. That would be ideal, but we'll tackle that. And yeah, pretty excited about it. I got a lot more stuff coming for the Targa from the wonderful guys at Renline, so that should be in here soon. I'm gonna be swapping out hinges. I'm getting floorboards in. Yeah, there's all kinds of fun stuff. So more to follow. But in the meantime, I'm gonna pour me a glass of wine and we're gonna sort this shit out. So let's get to it. because of the black housing. So this is the shit on here. I don't know. Oh, left. This is the left side. This is the right side. Looks pretty good. Look very pure as far as I won't know. I've heard some lights, aftermarket lights and stuff like the plugs melt, but it just not on there really good. So back there, wiring. So this is for the daytime running, and I think this is an adapter. Depending on what headlight you have, you will use this adapter. So this is going to be the one where I don't know. I'm going to route it BRLs to the fuse. This is supposed to be the fuse adapter, but as you can see from my fuse box, this don't look like it's going to work. So I gotta sort that out. And then these go into the headlight itself for the daytime running. Pretty much everything you need. Install instructions. You can again the QR code, which I'll probably go do this again just to make sure I'm good to go. Main thing is just getting these off and then seeing where I'm at as far as install. So I guess let's go and do that. All right, so the bolt here. It looks like an Allen bolt, but none of my Allen keys were working, so I'm gonna try this T15. That off. I will try to use that for the Morimoto ones. Just zip tie together, hold it in place. Like that. This is the inside the inline one, so they have like a deballast thing. Screw the light in through there, or take the bulb out through there. So I don't know why these things normally last for a long time. I don't know why the light wasn't working, but hopefully it doesn't repeat that same thing with the Morimoto ones. Let me move this out of the way. This is where there's a whole about the let me figure out how to route the wire and all that. So bring you guys back in. I'm gonna actually try to do it without doing the DRL and just kind of see what that looks like. So just plug one side of the adapter, just the other side. Then I'm using a zip tie here to kind of hold it, pull it into place, and keep it into place. And from there, slide the headlight in, the set screws in. And it comes with all that. That's what all that down there is, set screws. For then I'm gonna try to use my painted trim around it as opposed to the one that's on there. So yeah. All right, so ran into issue. So I don't think it was the bulb or anything on the previous headlight. It seems like this side is just not working. Plugged it in, got everything sorted. It's not even bolted in all the way, but this side is still not turning on. So I gotta figure that shit out. Like, really? Like, just dumb shit. Dumb shit. Guy could have told me that. Right headlight doesn't work. Might be a short. Something. I don't know. Alright, I'll figure it out. Alright. Update. So, after careful search on the internet, talked to the previous owner, super cool guy. So I promise you I won't bother you anymore. But pretty much it was the fuses. So this is the old style fuse box. They're very finicky. So I just kind of like looked at some diagrams, made sure they were lined up correct and everything. And I know these ones here, these four here, the red, white are the headlights, low beam, high beam. So just kind of moved those around and the light came on. So that was good. Hopefully it stays that way, but at least I know that it's not like a wiring thing and stuff like that. So I think what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna save the DRL for another day. I'm gonna get these in, get these seated and everything. They line up very well as far as the height of the beam, so that's all good. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish that up, and then once I'm gonna end up, because I guess there's some kits so you can upgrade the fuse boxes on these 911s to where you have fuses that are like, you know, the ones you can get, you know, at any auto parts store. So these type of fuses, as opposed to these fucking Edison style bars or whatever they are. But that'd be another project. Save that towards the end of this whole process. So let's go ahead and continue, and I will show you guys the final product. Alrighty, so we are back and got a dilemma, kinda. So this is what the Morimoto bezel, I guess you can call it, looks like on there. Oops. I don't like it like that. I want to use the OEM bezel, but every time that I put the set screw on the bottom, the top kind of pops up. So what I'm going to do is 3M tape. So put some 3M tape, probably along here. So it go all the way up, nice full arch, and then that way, I put it on there, apply the pressure. And when I put the screw in, it shouldn't pop up because it's not like a lot. It's not like, yeah, it's not a. It's just I just need a little bit more grip. So I'm gonna do that, and yeah, we'll see how that turns. It looks pretty good. Morimoto headlights. Again, I did not do the daytime running lights. I didn't wire those up, but no big deal. So let's see how they actually shine. Too bright. Alright, so I put an ND filter on so you can kind of see what the light looks like. It was dark. Looks really good. It does modernize it a lot. Shines extremely bright. I'm glad I put the color matched bezel back on. This looks so much better than the gloss black. Yeah. Better angle here. So yeah, ND filter so you can kind of see the light there. All right, and there you have it, folks. That is going to be it for today's video. Got the Morimoto headlights installed on a 1987 911 Targa. Again, did not do the DRL just because of the old fuse box. So if you have the upgraded fuse box, the DRL is probably be a lot easier to install. I'll come back to that later. I'll keep the wiring harness and all that stuff. So I think it looks great. I sourced out why my headlight wasn't working. It was the fuses. So again, we'll be upgrading the fuse panel for more modern fuses moving forward. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments of these headlights. I love them. Big shout out to Morimoto. I mean, they hooked it up with the 997, knocked it out the park with those headlights. I got the tail lights over there. I'm gonna put it on when it gets back in paint. And I mean, same quality, same service with the headlights for the Targa here, 87 G body. And yeah, I put a link down in the description for you to go check them out and get you a pair. They are for anything from 70s to even the 964s they fit. So yeah, super excited. Can't wait to drive it in the dark. But got a long way to go, more work to be done. Catch you guys on the next one. Keep being great. Subscribe, comment. Catch you later. Peace.